I'm Emily, this is No Expert, and today I have a very special guest. It's my friend and yours. You've seen him on Epicurious, you've seen him on the internet. It's Daniel Victor.
What's
Yay!
up?
Thanks
Super
for
excited.
being here.
Thanks for having me. I'm so excited.
too. And today we're going to be making some frozen cocktails, which I'm very excited about.
It's a great day for it. It's been so hot.
Yeah, it has been so hot in New York, and so we thought, why don't we find out what cocktails could be a slushie?
Yeah.
So we're going to try a bunch of different classic cocktails as slushies, and then we'll rank them and see which one is, maybe a late entry for the drink of the summer.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Imagine finding that drink of the summer.
That would be pretty cool, right?
That'd be so dope.
Yeah.
And I get to drink? Like, that sounds great. Sign me up.
We're pretty much living the dream here. We're vying to be the inventors of the next frosé, I feel like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we can do it today, too.
Yeah, this is the moment. So buckle up.
I'm
and,
confident in us.
Let's get to it. So the very first cocktail we thought we would try out is a frozen mojito.
Classic.
Classic. All right, so here's what we got. 1.5 ounces of rum.
Okay.
3/4 of an ounce of that lime juice.
Ooh.
Some freshly squeezed lime juice there.
Is that perfect?
Oh, that's perfect.
That's perfect.
Wow. What a world. We're going to do 2 teaspoons of simple syrup. 7 ice
That's some
cubes.
cool looking ice.
Thank you. Yeah, maybe we can do like a shot of club soda just to make sure there's enough liquid to blend.
Okay.
And then add more as needed.
Down for it.
And then I think it's supposed to be 12 mint leaves?
Something like that, I think.
You want to pick some mint leaves?
Absolutely. It smells so good.
It's the best.
Oh.
I'll do this whole little top bud thing. Alright, we'll see what happens.
It
This will also
already
be
smells good.
Yeah, I mean, mojitos are the best, and what could be wrong with this?
Famous last word.
What
could go wrong
possibly
with the
go wrong?
mojito?
And, the entire power in my house cuts out from this blender or something. Okay, up until this moment, I was a little trepidatious, but I have to say, I'm really excited to try this.
Powerful blender, by the way.
I'll just take that off, and we'll just pour a little bit
Yeah.
to try now, and then put the
Never
rest in
had-
the freezer
absolutely.
to compare against
That
the others
smells
later.
so good.
It's so minty. I'm actually thrilled with. I mean, I guess I don't want to jump the gun here since we haven't actually tasted it, but cool.
If it smells, or if it tastes good, it smells.
Yeah.
This
All
would
right.
be great.
You want to try this?
Hell yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers to the first one.
Pretty good.
Not
Could
bad.
use a little more sugar, maybe.
Absolutely. I was thinking the same thing.
Mm-hmm. But pretty good.
Light, fresh.
Okay, so mojito, pretty good.
That was pretty solid.
Yeah. The next one we thought we'd try is a frozen old fashioned.
Yes.
Yeah. You
Big
like
old
an old
fashioned.
fashioned?
I love an old
Yeah.
fashioned. Big old fashioned guy. It's easy, simple.
This is
it can't be bad, Frozen.
I mean, how bad could it be?
Right.
There's only one way to find out.
Let's do it.
We're here to ask the big questions. The questions on everyone's mind. What if an old fashioned was an old frozen? So, 2 shots of bourbon going in. And then 2-ish teaspoons of simple syrup. Do you make a lot of old fashions?
I used to. As of late, not really.
Interesting. What happened?
I don't know what happened.
Just done with the Angostura shaking grind? Do you want to choose the number of dashes?
Bam. 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 Okay.
Beautifully done. And just ice, I guess, right?
Yeah.
So usually this comes with a garnish. You've got an orange peel and sometimes a cherry. So we have those, but I think we're not going to put those in the slushie, right?
Not at this point.
Not at this juncture.
Maybe it's like a garnish.
We'll do the garnish thing. All right, and bing bang boom.
I can't wait to watch this blender work again. It's so cool.
Whoosh. All right, ready? I think that's super blended.
Cheers.
I think it works.
I think that was a good ratio of ingredients too. It tastes like a true cocktail.
It tastes like an old fashioned, just colder.
Colder. That's not bad.
Nothing wrong with that. All right, so cocktail number 3.
Yes.
The Paloma.
I'm excited about the Paloma.
Yeah, I'm excited. I like a Paloma.
Love Palomas.
Yeah. We kind of figured, let's try a bunch of the different sort of, major liquors,
Yeah.
Gin, tequila, vodka, whiskey.
I was blanking almost.
Alcohols, broadly. So this is our tequila cocktail. A Paloma traditionally is tequila with either a grapefruit soda or grapefruit juice, simple, and some club soda, and then a little bit of lime. So it's a pretty simple cocktail.
Easy,
and I have a good feeling that it would make a very bad slushie.
I think it's gonna slap.
I really hope so. Okay, so we're gonna go tequila.
You a tequila fan?
Yeah, I like tequila.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm not one of those people that has like, I can't with tequila, you know, too much in my 20s kind of thing.
I'm not with vodka. That's like
yeah,
vodka.
for me it's one thing and one thing only, and it's limoncello.
Really?
Yeah, I drank way too much of it when I was like 17, and I almost died. I mean, not literally, I didn't go to the hospital or anything, I just was really sick, and I haven't been able to stand it since.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Mine is Jaeger.
Oh, yeah.
I did have a pretty rough night with Jaeger one time.
I can imagine that would be the case.
Yeah. There's a lot of...
So 2 of these and 4 of these?
Yes, 2 ounces of tequila and then 4 ounces of the grapefruit soda.
We're saying ounces, but this is like an ounce and a tenth or an ounce and a quarter, I think. It's loose. This is just
loose estimation.
And then we've got
fresh lime?
Yeah. Do you want to just feel it with your heart? Just decide. It doesn't matter. How much lime juice do you think? Yeah.
It's like a cauldron effect going on in here. That seems right, maybe?
Yeah, that feels right, I think. And then, okay, so then the recipes we saw online said a pinch of salt. So,
yeah.
Pinch of salt,
Pinch
right?
of salt.
Why not?
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. And ice.
Cheers.
It is, it's very tasty. I know.
I mean...
It's very good.
This is great. I like this one.
Yeah,
this
good.
is great. This is a winner.
Put a peg in there.
Yeah. Put a little star next to it.
Yeah.
Paloma, delicious.
Delicious. All right, the next one we're going out a little bit on a limb for.
Yeah.
We thought maybe a dirty martini slushie?
We want something to scare us a little bit.
Because, like, what if it's good?
I hope it is. I feel like coming off of the high of the Paloma, I'm just really hoping that this is like another step up, but I have no idea.
Yeah, I'm just hoping it's not a really deep, cavernous fall. We're going to use gin for this particular martini. You can do, obviously, gin is sort of like the most traditional, but a lot of people like a vodka martini. We're using vodka in the next cocktail, so we thought mix it up.
Yeah.
Use gin. Plus, with this sort of format, I feel like a little more flavor is not a bad thing.
Absolutely.
So, ready to rock and roll?
Let's do it.
Yeah. 3 shots of gin. All right. 3/4 of an ounce of dry vermouth. And then we're going to use a little bit of olive brine for this.
Ooh.
We're not going to put an olive in because we're not crazy.
Yeah, that'd be wild.
No.
Ooh. That was a nice little hearty splash. Yeah. I have a good feeling about this one.
Yeah,
I think the olive
like
juice is going to bring it home.
So, ice cubes.
All right. These are so easy too. I feel like I would anticipate more work.
Yeah.
But it's just adding ice.
All right. You ready to find out?
I'm a little nervous, but I'm so down. I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm going to be sauced just walking out of here.
I know, I'm so sorry. Cheers.
Cheers.
You know what? It kind of is just a really cold martini.
Yeah.
Could be slushier, I feel like. This one really kind of lost the ice, I think.
I think it could be a little slushier. Definitely is more liquid. I think the ice cubes weren't as big as the first ones.
Yeah. Should have used more ice cubes. I mean, it's good. It's just a martini. It's just a really cold martini.
Yeah.
Well, I like a martini, though. What do you think?
See, I'm not a huge martini guy, so I think, oh, here's booze in here.
Yeah, that is just, straight booze, basically.
All right. But, I will say, it's not bad.
Do you want to try putting a bunch more ice in and an olive and see what happens?
I mean, we're here.
We're here.
Might as well.
Let's do it.
Nice. So this is a Garcia de la Cruz garlic stuffed almond? Almond.
A garlic stuffed olive, yeah.
Oh my god. Mm-hmm. I used to hate olives as a kid.
How many olives?
2.
Mm-hmm.
These are phenomenal.
They're really good.
Olive gave it a little color.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna...
I finished mine already.
Well then, that's very embarrassing for me. Hold on.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Huh. That tastes like nothing. It's
I was
so
gonna
icy.
say, like, that's a lot of ice. I mean, it does the alcohol down a bit, though. I will say. Like, I think initially it was like a punch of gin. This is a little more dialed back.
This more just tastes like ice. I'm seeing the olive chunks, but I'm not getting them.
Me neither.
Huh.
I'm excited about this
one. Okay, so last but not least.
Not least at all, I love coffee.
Yeah, me too. An espresso martini over ice. We're gonna just use the recipe from the back of this, which is like a cold brew coffee liqueur. It actually has an espresso martini recipe on the back, so we're just gonna easy peasy lemon squeezy use that. Now, I will say that this calls for coffee. We're gonna use cold brew concentrate, but we have this water going in, so I'm hoping that that's fine.
It'll balance it out a little bit.
We might have a lot of coffee in our system after this, but I think it'll be alright. Okay, so we need 2 ounces of Mr. Black. Who's reading the back?
So,
we need...
says here we need a...
The channel's called No Expert, okay? You knew what you were getting.
Ooh, that's like kind of thick.
It's a liqueur for sure.
That looks good.
1 ounce of vodka.
Cold concentrate.
Oh, I think you said. Do you want to... After this got wet, you want to pour that in there?
Yeah, how much?
1.
1?
Yeah. Glug, 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 glug. Perfect.
Nice.
Nice. I'm really excited for this one. I hope it's good. If it's terrible...
I'm so pumped. There's no shots. It can't be bad. There's coffee in it.
How could it be bad?
Yeah.
Okay, and then just a bunch of ice. We learned from our last one we're going to go more ice just from the get-go.
Yeah, I gotta really add that slushy experience.
Ready?
Let's do it.
Oh. Do you think this is slushed enough? I think it's slushed enough.
I think it's slushed enough.
Alright, you ready to taste this thing?
Yeah!
Alright.
I'm so excited. Oh, this smells so good.
Alright, I'm excited to get in here.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To finding the drink of the summer.
Yeah, to your continued good health. That's good as hell.
I mean, wow.
Honestly, yes. Yes, sold. No notes. That's great.
Truly no notes.
I mean...
There's like layers to this a bit. Like it's
it's better than an espresso martini.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Wow.
This is so cool to look at.
Alright, so I would say my clear winners were espresso martini, then Paloma. Like, from what I remember, I would go espresso martini, Paloma, old-fashioned, Mojito martini, probably.
Interesting. Okay. I think I would do that with a slight twist. I think I would go espresso martini, Paloma, Mojito, old-fashioned martini.
All right. So, you want to try these all again and
Absolutely.
Make them fight?
Yeah.
Inside of our bodies?
Sure.
So,
yeah.
What do you think?
Honestly, I think, look, if we're going by which one becomes the best slushy, like which the slushy experience enhances it, I think espresso martini is clear winner.
Yeah.
Clear winner. Paloma, phenomenal. You cannot go wrong with those two.
Yeah.
They're great.
I think really good as slushies. Like, they totally work. I think the Mojito, if anything's wrong with it, it's our fault. I mean, not your fault.
Mojito's a great drink, and slushified would be phenomenal. I think, the chemistry was a little off.
It wasn't quite sweet enough. It was a little sour.
Yeah.
I think part of that is also that, like, I think with icy drinks, sometimes you don't get as much of the sweet. You have to, like, add a little more in.
Yeah.
Than you otherwise would. But I think it also just is a little off. But, like, really tasty. I think it would work perfectly.
If you
as
nail
a
it at
slushy,
home.
you just have to, like, kind of play with your, like, ratios.
Absolutely.
Get that balance right.
The old-fashioned was good. Like I said, old-fashioned, I feel like It's a classic drink. I don't know if the slushie added anything special to it.
I think it's something where like if it were a really hot day and I had the option between a regular old fashioned and a slushy old fashioned, I might do it because I know that it works. Mm-hmm. But I wouldn't choose it over a regular old fashioned on a regular.
It's not like your first choice.
Yeah, I wouldn't be like,
oh man, I'm jonesing for
like it's so hot, I want a slushy old fashioned. Like it works, but like very specific needs.
Yes.
Very specific circumstances. Yeah.
The martini for me, I mean, look, I'm not a martini guy, so I think it fell flat for me. Give it a shot. Nothing bad about it.
If you like a martini, I think it kind of dulls some of the more subtle flavors that make a martini. And like you're drinking a martini, you might as well just have the martini. To me, like just super cold.
Yes.
This is like, it's that plus it's watered down a little, which is like not the worst thing, but it's not so much. I think that a regular martini, if you want a martini, is going to make you happier.
Are we like aligned on the pairings?
Yeah, I think that like final power ranking, espresso martini, then Paloma, then Mojito, then old fashioned, then dirty martini. Like they all kind of worked.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're all like okay.
But which one am I still drinking? The espresso martini.
All right, well, those were our takes on some classic cocktails as slushies.
That was awesome.
That was pretty fun, right?
That was so dope.
I had a great time.
That was an awesome. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for doing this.
That was killer.
Yeah. So if you don't already follow Daniel, you can find him on Instagram at I am Daniel Victor, right?
That is, that's it. That's the one.
And you now have a YouTube channel.
I do.
Yeah.
I do. It should just be I am Daniel Victor as well.
Yeah, I'll have that tagged down below, so easy to find. You should go follow him because he's great. Thanks again for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you for being here. If you liked this video, don't forget to smash a thumbs up.
Smash it.
Smash a thumbs
We've
up.
We've had a couple cocktails. This is.
It's like I'm doing great. If you like this video, don't forget to smash a thumbs up on it. And if you want to see more videos like this, you could always subscribe. Why not?
Yeah.
That could be cool.
Tell your friends, maybe?
Yeah, tell your friends.
Tell your friends?
Tell
your
2 friends. I'm only asking for 2 friends today.
It's not a lot.
If everybody tells 2 friends, then the PBS can keep running. Thanks again for being here. I hope you're great, and I'll catch up with you later.
See ya.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.